In this video, we'll be showing you how to upload your videos to YouTube. Firstly, click on the camera icon at the top right-hand corner of the page. Then, click on Select File to choose the file that you would like to upload. Under the text box, indicate the title of your video and a short description under the description section. Once done, scroll down the page until you reach the audience section. There, click on No, it's not made for kids. Scroll a little further under the age section and select No, don't restrict my video. At the very bottom of the page, deselect Allow Embedding and also deselect Publish to Subscription Feed. Then click on Next. In the next page, no action is required, so you can click on Next again. Finally, select Publish Now and Unlisted, and then click on Done. You will then see a link to your video. Thanks for watching.